You clicked on this video for a reason, to watch Lackadaisy Season 2 for free without sketchy streams or wasting time. I got you, so stick with me. I'll show the legit places people are watching, how to catch new episodes for free, and what to avoid. The easy truth: the original Lackadaisy pilot and Season 1 shorts were released on the creator's official YouTube channel, so that's the baseline free place to watch legally. Right now, the project is scaling up. Creators partnered with Glitch Productions for a full series rollout, which means new episodes may premiere on official channels and later appear on partner streaming platforms, depending on the release plan. Pay attention to the official Lackadaisy/X and studio posts for exact drops. Fast free route: follow and subscribe to the official Lackadaisy YouTube and enable notifications whenever the team posts shorts, previews, or episodes. They'll go live there first and stay free to watch. If you want day one access and the series premieres on a streaming partner, use trial or promo windows legally. Check for limited free trials through channel partners, Apple/Prime/Roku, or carrier/ISP bundles that include the streamer. Activate a trial, binge the episodes, cancel before renewal. Always confirm current trial availability. Household sharing is another legit trick. If someone in your household has access via a streaming service, add them properly under the provider's household rules so you can stream without an extra subscription. Don't share accounts outside official rules. One more thing: avoid pirate sites, random embeds, or download links claiming full episodes. Those are illegal and often carry malware or account-stealing scams. Always use the creator's channels or verified partners. If this helped you find free, legal ways to watch Lackadaisy, hit the like and sub. If not, drop a comment about the platform you're on and I'll help you find the exact free route.